Rising tension in the Middle East has once again tested the resilience of global markets. But while the world reacts with uncertainty, professional investors adapt with precision. Welcome to QQ News, where clarity meets strategy. In recent weeks, global markets have felt the tremors, growing conflict between Iran and Israel. Energy markets spiked, the defense sector surged, and volatility crept back into the headlines. These geopolitical flashpoints often predict capital flows, temporary repricing across risk-sensitive sectors. But what has stood out? Institutional investors have stayed calm. Panic has not spread. Instead, the market is signaling resilience, even amid mounting geopolitical risk. Energy and defense have led market volatility, with increased demand for security-related assets and rising oil price sensitivity. Commodity-linked positions, especially in crude and metals, have also seen increasing trading volumes. Fixed income markets, especially interest rate-sensitive instruments, have experienced minor corrections. Yet major equity indexes remain relatively stable, reflecting a market still driven by fundamentals and not fear. At QQ Capital Fund, we don't chase headlines. We analyze them. Our approach during volatile periods relies on 3 pillars: diversified portfolio structure, dynamic risk management, and continuous scenario-based planning. This has allowed us to protect capital, reduce exposure where needed, and position ahead of possible macro shifts. Because volatility doesn't mean that markets are broken. In fact, for prepared investors, it means opportunity. Because capital doesn't disappear, it relocates. And with the right rebalancing, sector rotation, and global diversification, volatility can open windows for sustainable growth. As geopolitical developments unfold, we remain on alert, not to overreact, but to act with conviction when conditions align. To all of our investors, your portfolio remains strong. We continue to withstand short-term market shocks while preparing to capture the upside as the global picture evolves. Our message is clear. We don't panic. We build through resilience. And no matter the headline, our mission stays the same: capital preservation, intelligent growth, and strategic clarity. In times of global unrest, you don't need just return. You need a resilient partner. At QQ Capital Fund, we offer a free, personalized financial consultation tailored to today's conditions. Let's analyze your portfolio and prepare together for what's next. We invite you to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Threads for more daily insights. And visit us at qqcapitalfund.com to book your free financial consultation today. This was QQ News, where strategy meets clarity, where informed minds stay one step ahead. Until next time, invest smart and invest with a purpose.